Cellular respiration is basically the breaking down of molecules in order to create energy. The formula is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 goes into 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus ATP. That's basically saying glucose plus oxygen makes carbon dioxide, water, and energy. There are two different forms of cellular respiration as well, anaerobic and aerobic. Right now, all you need to know about anaerobic is that it does not require oxygen and it deals with fermentation. Aerobic does require oxygen and is much more efficient than the anaerobic cycle. The maximum amount of energy cells that can be produced is 36 or so. They're called ATP cells. The amount actually created is closer to 28 due to leaky cells. 2 come from glycolysis, 2 from the Krebs cycle, and 34 from ETC. The first stage in cellular respiration is glycolysis. Glycolysis is the breaking down of molecules. This is done with regulatory enzymes, which are enzymes that control the pathways throughout the cell. They are in the form of ATP. The product of this stage is a pyruvate molecule. At the end of glycolysis, the pyruvate goes to the mitochondria for oxidative decarboxylation. Oxidative decarboxylation is when one CO2 molecule and one H2O molecule are used to form acetyl CoA. The pyruvate molecule then goes on to the Krebs cycle to continue cellular respiration. For the Krebs cycle, for every glucose molecule there will be 2 cycles in the Krebs cycle. The acetyl CoA that was made before joins with a chemical here to form 6 carbon atoms. The products here are 2 ATP cells, 6 NADH cells, 4 CO2 cells, and 2 QH2 enzymes. The final stage is ETC, which stands for electron transport chain. This is where the most ATP is made in the cycle. Hydrogen that got removed earlier in the cycle goes to the mitochondria to mix with H2O and O2 to form water. This water and the 6 carbon dioxide cells from the Krebs cycle are the final product of cellular respiration. They mix with the ATP. Hydrogen flows back to the cytoplasm through protein channels to create more ATP. And that's aerobic cellular respiration.